So we are based in Delft, and what we have developed is energy harvesting PMIC. It's a breakthrough solution, and what we do is we provide this chipset which integrators can put very easily into their products to be able to power them with clean ambient energy. The solution to solving the biggest problems in the world are baked into Nowi, and that also feeds into what our overall goal or aim is, and that is to get rid or eliminate primary batteries that are there polluting the world. Over the COVID period, we have grown quite a bit, and that also means opening up offices in San Francisco, and that means that we have a team there, and we are already working with quite a lot of American customers and clients to be able to integrate our solution into their product. So we are in principle a global semiconductor company putting our chipset into all the available or all the fitting products that are there in the global market.